for today's video guys. And kakatapos ko lang mag-shower. And this is my pambahay outfit guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung aking hair, ang gulo-gulo. Ang gulo-gulo, ang haba-haba ng aking hair guys. Ang curly-curly ng aking hair. Ayan guys. Look, ayan guys. So, yung aking pambahay outfit for today. Ayan guys, nagtaka ako sa hair ko guys kasi ayan, hindi naman talaga curly tong aking hair guys. Ngayon lang siya nag-curly-curly. Ayan, kasi nung pinagupitan ko siya guys, ng maiksi. Pinagupitan ko siya ng maiksi guys. Tapos, nung yun, umano na siya guys, nung umaba na siya, nag-curly-curly na siya guys. Ayan, ang hirap suklayin. Ayan, it's so difficult guys. Ang hirap niyang suklayin kasi ang kapal ng aking hair. Ang kapal ng aking hair guys. Tapos, ang ano, ang kulot niya guys. But, I love curly hair. Kaya hindi ko muna siya pinariban guys. Kasi, ayan, I really love curly hair. Kaya naman kahit nahihirapan ako guys. Kahit nahihirapan akong suklayin, hindi ko pa rin pinapariban yung aking buhok guys. Kasi, ayan, gusto ko mag-curly-curly yung aking hair guys. O, diba? Ayan. Hi! Christmas is coming guys. Christmas is coming soon and nobody sent me a gift. I hope you can also send me a gift guys. I feel so lonely. I feel so alone guys. Ayan. I hope you can also send me a software things gift, guys, on my videos. And watch my videos, guys. Please support my channel. You will enjoy, guys. You will enjoy my videos. That's very nice. That's very nice, guys. You will like it and you will love it. You will love it, guys. You will enjoy and you will like it. That's very nice. And guys, I feel so boring today. I feel so bored, guys, and I feel so lonely. I feel alone. I just want to be happy. I just want to be happy, guys, this coming Christmas. I hope I can. I hope I can, guys. I can find my forever. I hope I can find my forever, guys. Ayan, I feel so alone. I feel so lonely. That's why I'm doing vlog. I'm doing vlogging, guys, because I feel bored. I feel lonely. I feel so alone. That's why I feel so lonely. I hope guys you will love me. You will love my channel. You will love my videos, guys. Please do watch my videos.